Retire happy by taking these important steps. What do your retirement years look like? If you're like most people, you probably already have an ideal plan in mind. Maybe you want to travel more, either internationally or even closer to home. Or you'd like to spend more time with the family, spoiling those grandchildren and building all kinds of fantastic memories. Whatever the case, your future happiness is going to be dependent on many things, starting with your retirement plan now, long before you even get there. Taking the right steps at the right time is crucial. You'll want to consider many things, including: define what retirement means to you. To some people, retirement means the cessation of work entirely. To others, they might be looking to do something part-time, to supplement income, or just to keep busy. Take time to think through what it is you'd really like to do. This will help you get the most out of your retirement. Evaluate your finances. How do your retirement savings look? Running out of funds to do the things you want is one of the biggest factors to get in the way of a happy retirement. If you haven't set aside enough, you might find yourself in an uncomfortable position later. Here's where you might want to evaluate your current budget to see if you can allow for increased savings. Decide where your ideal home should be. Location truly is everything. Now is the time to figure out just where you'd like to be. Where would you be happiest? In an RV, seeing America? Living near the kids and grandkids? Someplace warm? The answer is different for everyone. What factors are important to you in making this decision? Consider your insurance plan. What kind of health plan do you have now? Is this going to change with retirement? Since healthcare plays such a large part of our lives as we age, figuring out now what kind of coverage you want and how much this is going to cost will help you to set you up for the most successful health outcomes later. Part of being happy is not having to worry about medical bills. Take a team approach. Who do you have on your side? You will want to create a list of important people and keep it current. Do you have an accountant or a lawyer? What is your plan for future caregivers should you need them? Create your dream team early so you're not scrambling to figure these things out later. By keeping these steps in mind, you'll take a lot of pressure off later, when you're ready for your retirement party. You'll be glad you did.